I can actually see it in the upper half of this one, and I can see it in the bottom. So it's definitely given the muscles in my arms a workout.
I've just been using this for 5 seconds and I can already feel it all throughout my arms, all throughout my back, immediately.
All right, it's time to talk about our last look at our today's special, and I got a lot to show you. In fact, it's sitting in my pocket right here. Now imagine if you could pull about 20 pounds of weight, like lifting 20 pounds of weight at the gym, and it literally fits in the palm of your hand. How cool is this? It is our SpinGym, and we're gonna take our last and final look at it here right now. What does it do? Within about 5 minutes, a couple times a week, you're gonna be able to work yourself into awesome shape, and you're gonna do it with this configuration. Let me show you what you're getting tonight. You're gonna meet Forbes, who created this, but let me show you the package we've put together. Pretty darn incredible, everybody. Best price we've ever done, largest configuration, and we'll never repeat this again, okay? So we start off with, of course, the SpinGym. There has been thousands upon thousands, in fact, hundreds of thousands sold just here in HSN, and it's back tonight. Then we have the DVD. Now, I am a nerd and I do tons of research before I come out here. I will tell you, there are literally 6 workouts. The longest one, listen to this, is 8 minutes. If you've got 5 to 8 minutes, you're on your way into great shape. Then, this is really cool. Forbes has a new website she created where she's intimately involved with the people who join the website. They pay almost $10 per month to be a member of this website. For the first time ever, she's launching it and including it in the today's special, and that is $129 value. Then we talk about color options, because this is really cool as well. We have the blue, the silver, the purple, and the rose, okay? So we have blue, silver, purple, and the pot pink, right? Now those colors are awesome, but the next 2 colors are about to be gone, and it's the last time you're gonna see them, which include the seafoam green, and that, we've got 500, so that's gonna be it for the seafoam in this airing. And then finally, I love the Aztec gold. And then finally, if that weren't enough, let me put the icing on top of the cake. You're gonna get, with this today's special, again, 20 bucks, free shipping and handling, a full year subscription to Allure magazine. Now that by itself is definitely worth more than $20. So all of it's together, and now it's our final and last look at, of course, the famous SpinGym. Who created it? Well, it's Forbes Riley, and what she's doing is she's truly changing the face of how we look and how we feel about ourselves, one spin and one bounce at a time. She's been literally on national television. You've seen her featured in magazines, and she is indeed the creator of our famous SpinGym tonight. So I'm gonna get her out here, and I wanna bring her on out. Hi, baby, how are you?
You know what? We've sold 47,000 SpinGyms. I am on fire.
Wait, today.
I know, but you know what? We're gonna run out of some colors. This is my last show. This is my dream come true. I'll tell you what, I started out with the goal of getting 1 million people fit, happy, and healthy. I've got 225,000 at HSN, almost 500,000 around the US, Europe, and Africa. Guess what? I'm halfway to my goal. What's your goal? I mean, mine is really big. Let's say yours is just to get in shape. Can you just tone your arms? SpinGym's gonna help you do it. And I'm gonna spend the next few minutes showing you how something this simple and this small, and this, by the way, inexpensive today, I could charge you $100 for this, but I'm not. You know why? I really want everyone to afford this. And I know that's crazy. It means that I don't get to make tons of money, but you get to have a product that's undeniably the best thing I've ever found. Suzanne, this is actually changing people's lives. I've had people lose so much weight, but the big thing is your self-esteem. I know I asked you about taking off your jacket. When I ask women that, they go, oh, I can't. I've got big flabby arms. You know what hurts me? I'm 53 years old and your self-esteem is right here. Can you imagine tightening and toning that? In fact, Miss Barb, come here for a second. 63 years young. Look at this woman who's been SpinGymming with me for 3 years. First of all, so energetic. You've been doing this all night long. Do me a favor, just turn back here for a second. I saw something I've never seen tonight. I did not know, and I know that Barb doesn't realize this either until she sees the video, that she's got this much definition going on. And you know how she did that? Justin, come here for a second. I'm gonna show you. This is her beautiful body. Justin, turn around for a second. Do the same move. Now, he's a little younger, and you can actually see some of his muscles. You guys have the same muscles in your back. But this is what SpinGym does for you. It ignites everything all the way down. The benefit on Barb is look how beautiful her back is.